Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered why the moon looks different every night? Sometimes it's a bright, round circle, and other times it's just a sliver. Let's dive into this cosmic mystery together. The moon goes through different shapes called phases, and it all starts with how sunlight shines on it. Imagine the moon as a big, glowing ball in space. When the moon is between the Earth and the sun, we can't see it at all. That's called the new moon. But as it moves in its orbit, more of its surface gets lit up by the sun, and we start to see a crescent shape. That's the waxing crescent phase. As the days go by, the moon continues to grow brighter and bigger. Next up is the first quarter phase, where half of the moon is illuminated. It's like a giant cookie with one side all frosted. Then we reach the full moon, when the entire face of the moon is shining bright. It's the perfect time for a moonlit adventure. But wait, the moon doesn't just stop there. After the full moon, it starts to shrink again. This is called the waning phases. First, we see the last quarter, where it's back to half, and then it becomes a waning crescent. Finally, it disappears again, returning to the new moon. Isn't that fascinating? Now, let's have some fun. Can you guess how long it takes for the moon to go through all these phases? It's about 29.5 days. That's a little over 4 weeks. So, if you want to see all the shapes of the moon, just keep looking up every night. Did you know that the moon is about 238,855 miles away from Earth? That's like stacking 30 Earths on top of each other. And here's another cool fact. The moon is slowly moving away from us, about 1.5 inches each year. So, in a few billion years, it will be much farther away than it is now. The moon has also been a source of inspiration for stories and legends. People have imagined it as a magical place, with creatures living on its surface. Some even say that the moon is made of cheese, but we know it's actually made of rock and dust. As we wrap up our moon adventure, remember that the moon is always up there, watching over us. It encourages you to keep looking at the stars and to wonder about the universe. So, grab a blanket, lie back, and enjoy the beauty of the night sky. Who knows what other mysteries you might discover? Keep stargazing and let your curiosity guide you.